This keyboard right here, I've been using for the past 5 years or 6 years. Hasn't been cleaned, and as you can see, it's very dirty, very dirty. Yeah, very dirty. Usually this is like those iPad kids where they eat Doritos and then just put their fingers on the mouth and just lick them, and then they just play them just normally, and they get really dirty. So today I'm going to clean them. I just plucked it out, and let's go clean this. I don't have the tools or anything. I just pick them barehanded, I guess. What is this? What is that thing? Alright, I'm gonna clean this now. Time for the keys. Boom, done. So I forgot to record. My bad, I didn't see anything. Well, there's a few more keys to do. So let's do this. It's done, finally. Doesn't look as brand new, but hey, at least it's clean. Alright. See you in the next video of your day, or day, whatever.